Have you ever wondered how to stay ahead in the AI revolution? Are you eager to learn the skills you need to not only survive but thrive in this rapidly changing world? Look no further. In this video, we'll share with you the top 9 AI skills that you need to learn right now to stay ahead of 97% of people. These are the essential non-technical skills that will help you make the most of the AI opportunities around you, regardless of your profession or industry. So make sure you watch all the way to the end because we saved the best for last. Number 9. Prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is the art and science of crafting effective prompts to elicit the desired response from AI language models like GPT-4. To truly appreciate the value of this skill, let's think of AI as a genie in a bottle. If you don't ask the genie the right question or make the right wish, you might not get the outcome you desire. In the same vein, mastering prompt engineering allows you to communicate with AI systems more effectively and efficiently. But what does it mean to be a good prompt engineer? It involves understanding the context, being precise with your language, and anticipating possible responses. It's a skill that relies on creativity, logic, and an understanding of human language. For instance, imagine you are a content writer tasked with creating a blog post about the benefits of dating apps. Instead of using a generic prompt like "write a blog about dating apps," craft a more targeted and engaging prompt like "you are now an expert relationship coach. I want you to write a blog post about the top 5 benefits of using dating apps for men." By refining your prompt, you help the AI language model generate content that is more relevant, focused, and appealing to your target audience. Number 8. AI-powered personal branding. In the age of AI, personal branding has taken on a whole new dimension. By leveraging AI-powered tools, you can create a unique and memorable personal brand that sets you apart from the crowd. But what exactly does AI-powered personal branding entail, and why should you care? Well, think of your personal brand as a mosaic, a collection of pieces that come together to form a complete picture of who you are, what you stand for, and what you bring to the table. Now imagine using AI to enhance and refine each piece of that mosaic, making it even more vibrant and captivating. For example, you could use AI-generated logos to create a stunning visual identity for your brand, or you could leverage AI-powered content generation tools to craft engaging articles or social media posts that showcase your expertise and thought leadership. Even your online interactions can be enhanced with AI, as virtual assistants can help you manage your social media presence, engage with your audience, and ensure that your brand remains consistent across various platforms. Let's take the case of a freelance graphic designer looking to build their personal brand. They could use AI-powered design tools to create eye-catching portfolio pieces, demonstrating their skills and creativity. Number 7. Data storytelling and visualization. By transforming raw data into captivating narratives and visuals, you can make your findings more accessible, relatable, and persuasive. But why is this skill so crucial in the age of AI? As AI systems become more adept at analyzing and processing vast amounts of data, our ability to extract meaningful insights from that data becomes increasingly valuable. Data storytelling allows us to bridge the gap between cold, hard numbers and the